Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana. I started the day with editing. I need to go and pick up my car. I need to book my vacation. I'm gonna see my friends. I haven't seen them for a long time, so we need to catch up a bit with our lives. It's really hard actually to meet with the people when you're a crew and they're a crew because you're on a different schedule. Anyway guys, enjoy this vlog. It's evening already. I'm going out with my friends. I told you I have plans for the evening, but it's gonna be really cozy, chill night. Yeah, we need to catch up a bit because I haven't seen them for a long time. So yeah, maybe we're gonna have a couple of drinks, but yeah, as you can see, it's not gonna be fancy at all because I'm wearing blouse, sweater, however you call it. But yeah, I'm super happy to see them. Why am I yellow now? I didn't talk to you for the whole day because I was pretty busy. I just finished editing the previous vlog, so probably I'll upload it tomorrow, which is Monday, which I'm super happy about. I hope the schedule will work for you. And yeah, let me know if you prefer more, you know, chit chat videos, like for example previous one I was talking a lot to the camera, or the ones that I'm trying to do right now, like I show you a bit of my life, I put the music in the background. I'm not sure, I'm trying different styles, so just let me know. I feel like in a previous one I've been talking a lot, but I haven't shown you a lot, and this is mainly because, yeah, like I said, I'm working on something that I don't want to talk about yet. I'll keep it as a secret, but once it's on, once it's out, I'll for sure tell you about it. Okay, I have changed my outfit and hairstyle. I'm not sure if it's for better or not, but this is how we look. I decided not to put the blouse on because I'm actually not coming back from the gym. I'm going to have some drinks with my friends, okay? It's evening. Let's be presentable. So yeah, update. So we are talking to the vlog. So here are my friends, Natalia and Kasia, both Polish. And yeah, we met for some drinks to catch up a bit because we haven't seen each other for a long time. Like I've seen you, okay, I've seen you maybe last week, but you, I think it was last time like December or so, right? Yep. So we are in Radisson right now. Oh, here's the QR code if you want to scan. But yeah, it's next door, yeah, so we just want to, yeah, chill a bit. He said to, yeah, do not dress up. Look at her, look at her. Cheers, guys. For you and for you. It's Monday and we're doing it. We're uploading the video, the very first weekly vlog after a while on my YouTube channel. So yeah, please go check it out. Probably if you're watching this one, then that means you watched the previous one as well. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. Yeah, I've been working on it since early morning because I wanted to finish it and I wanted to be consistent with that, with yeah, uploading my videos actually on time. So yeah, here it is. Enjoy, guys. So the whole morning I was working on the video. I really wanted to finish it on time, and yeah, I did it. Just think about the time schedule for you guys, because the time for Poland is different, time for Dubai is different, so I'm not sure which one's gonna work for you best, but yeah. Anyway, we are heading out right now. I'm gonna see Anya. We're gonna go to ShaRma to pick up the last samples from our supplier, and yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So as you can see, yeah, I'm wearing a big bag, sneakers, the big bag, because I need to have my laptop with me because we want to work with Anya on something later. I mean, on that kind of business of ours. As you can see, the blouse from yesterday, I didn't give up on that. So yeah, we're wearing it today, even though the weather is really hot now. Yeah, whenever we sit inside, I already told you on my previous vlogs that I really get cold easily. So that's why I'm wearing a sweatshirt. I had to change my plans for tonight because actually I was supposed to go out with my friend, but I had to cancel it because tomorrow is my last day of reserve and they actually put me on a flight. We're going to Mumbai early in the morning, so that's why I cannot go out basically anywhere in the evening because I really want to get ready and get some rest before the flight. It's a quick turnaround. I'm gonna be back around 6 p.m. tomorrow, so we'll figure it out. I'll just postpone it for tomorrow. And yeah, let's go guys, let's start the day. Getting the measurements right now. Still not gonna tell you what we're doing, but yeah, you can maybe comment down below if you have any ideas. This is our new lady we're gonna work with. Just got our food and the lady just left. So Anna, what do you think? How's it gonna go?
Oh, perfect. It's gonna go great. That's so cool.
I know, I'm so excited actually, like, cause she
seems like she's so cool
and she knows what she's doing.
It's professional and like, yeah.
And yeah, it's gonna be actually like it turned out the way we wanted to, like with the finances and the time.
Yeah. She's here as well, so.
Exactly. Yeah. In Dubai, not Sharjah, so we won't have to go back and forth all the time there. But anyway, we're gonna have some food and we wanna work later on the strategy and plan everything. So yeah, give us a break. I just did 5 kilometers run. I was hoping for hitting 10k, but I cannot. My legs are already sore and I have a flight tomorrow early morning, so I don't want to force myself. I feel like my body is exhausted in general because I didn't get enough sleep for the last few days. Plus, yeah, I did that 12 kilometers run a few days ago, even though I do not run that much lately, so maybe that's the reason. But anyway, I'm gonna do 4 kilometers more of walking and then heading back home and gonna start getting ready for the flight to sleep and yeah, to chill. Hey guys, 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. We're going to Mumbai, coming back the same day, but still, why this flight has to be so early? Guys, we're back in Dubai. Both of the sectors were really busy. That was a really exhausting day. At least I was the galley, so I was helping others to go through the whole service, and actually I had to prepare the whole service. But anyway, it was a bit easier for me, I would say, because you don't stay with the passengers, with the customers, you just prepare. You need to be really organized, you need to stay in the galley and, you know, prepare everything to go into the cabin. But to be honest, I prefer it more rather than be in a cabin and, you know, do the service and everything. As you can see, still my makeup is pretty bad, but yeah, it was a pretty long day. Now my plans: take a shower, get ready and see my friend. It's already the next day. I didn't record anything yesterday because I just went out with my friend, and this is something that I actually do not want to share with you guys yet. Today I'm starting the day with a good news actually, because I sent a few of the swaps yesterday, and whenever the roster is out you can do some adjustments so you go on a flight you actually enjoy. For me it's Warsaw, for example, because first of all my parents are coming, so I want to bring them here to Dubai while I'm a cabin crew. They're gonna be the passengers, you know. I'm gonna be operating the flight. The thing is that the last time I was there, it was December. I was only there for like 4 days, and it wasn't a good reason for me to be there because I lost one of my family members. So right now I'm ready to go and enjoy again. So actually Frankfurt and Kuala Lumpur are gone. I already got Warsaw, 2 Warsaw flights, so I'm super excited about it. I was actually making a list for my mom to bring me some of the stuff, products, and you know, the things that I need actually from Poland, but I can do it myself. So excited. I'm super happy. I got to know about it like yesterday evening. I was beyond happy. I did some school stuff in the morning as well. I went to the gym already. I didn't show you because yeah, there were a lot of people there. Plus, I already showed you my workout. Now I'm heading to see my friend. She's a flight attendant as well. She works for Polish airline LOT. And yeah, she texted me yesterday if I have any plans. She has never been to Dubai, so I'm going to pick her up right now. I think she's bringing one more friend of hers. And yeah, we're gonna go. I will try to show them as much as possible because actually I think they're leaving around 5 p.m. so I'll have to drop them off. So it has to be like really quick sightseeing tour. I was waiting for them to actually get ready so we can meet and have lunch together and catch up a bit. So yeah, right now I'm heading to see them and probably I'll show you guys them later. Hey guys, meet Justina, tourist of Dubai. Hi. I'm trying to find one place so we can sit down, actually chat a bit and eat something or have some coffee. She needs to be back in 2.5 hours. It took us like forever to get here. Later we're gonna do the photo shoot, yeah, for Justina, because that's her first time in Dubai.
First time here.
Exactly, but not the last one.
No.
First time seeing Burj Khalifa.
I'm waiting for you.
Right? Okay, I'm ready. We made it! I thought it's gonna actually start at 4 p.m. but they started right now.
For me.
Exactly. I ordered that one. It wasn't cheap. Made from that as the foundation. I haven't seen it for a long time, so it's a great opportunity to have friends visiting you because actually you can come back to those touristic places. Look at my name. Look at her name.
Justina.
Adriana. Cheers.
Pan nas zaraz pogoni.
I'm saying bye-bye to Justina. We spent the whole day. Oh my god. Okay, they're waiting.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna go. Because there is a taxi behind me. But anyway, we spent a great day together.
Yes.
But she needs to go because in 2 hours she has to pick up. This is goodbye, but not for a long time. I hope like next time I'm gonna go. Yeah. But next time, hopefully when she's gonna come here, she's gonna let me know in advance and we can go to the party and spend more time together. But it was great.
I was
great seeing you. And yeah, after a really long time. Anyway,
Actually, yes.
gotta go.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, see ya. Stop it. This is so cute. Hey guys, so we just arrived to Warsaw. I'm super excited about it. Flight was kind of busy. We were rushing a lot, but the crew and the passenger were really nice. So that's all right. Plus, we're in Warsaw. So the plan for today is to do some shopping, groceries, and to see my friends later for dinner. I don't think the stuff that I will be doing today will be interesting for you because this is my home. I just want to do stuff quickly, so I actually take off everything I need to do here and buy everything I need. Miss my home, miss my country. So yeah, super excited to be here. Anyway guys, talk to you later. Finished shopping now. I'm with my bestie. We're catching up a bit. I haven't seen him for few months. Yeah. In about like 1.5 hours we're gonna go and I'm gonna see other friends, but he's leaving, so yeah, he's going to Lisbon. Hey
Hey guys, it's the next day already. I woke up super early in the morning and as I promised you, I decided to show you what did I buy in Warsaw. So let's do it real quick. Alproskyr, non-lactose cottage cheese, soy sausages, muesli. These are really healthy one, my favorite one. No added sugar, really good ingredients. Go check it out if you're in Poland. Yeah, carrot juice. I'm trying to eat healthy lately and trying to have one fresh juice per day. And yeah, sometimes with, the schedule of your flatmate, it's not possible to make a noise in the morning with the juicer. So that's why I bought this one as my alternative. This is for the groceries haul. Let's move to drugstore haul. These two products are from my friend, retinol. This one is the new one. I never tried it before. I finished the previous one I had, so I decided to go with something new. So I'll see how is it gonna work on me. Yeah, vitamin D. Dry shampoo. This one usually saves me on the layovers when I'm really lazy to wash my hair. Beauty blender. If you haven't know, I do my nails myself, soft gel, so I bought some new colors. Prada perfume. This one I got under Rivals. We have 30% off as a crew, so I decided to go for it because actually I really wanted to buy it for a really long time. But yeah, I got a discount almost 200 zloty, so I paid 350 dirhams for 90 milliliters. That was a pretty good deal. My favorite lip gloss. And these two products I'll try out because actually they were really recommended, super cheap. You can get it in Rossmann. This is the hair mask and this is the oil that protects your hair from the heat. They smell really good. I cannot recommend them yet, but yeah, I'll try them out and I'll let you know if they work good. But anyway, that's it for my grocery/shopping haul. Now we're going to get some pierogis.
So as you can see, we're home already. The flight was busy, but we all survived. It wasn't that bad. Passenger really nice. It's just the amount of alcohol they drink is really surprising. Happy to be back. That's probably it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below and subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.